everything's dirty because of that glue. Oh my god. Everything is sticky on that tray now. Oh, why did that have to happen to me? Oh, hi guys. You guys are wondering what happened. Let me speak. My glue, I left it down on the tray. That's what was happening, sorry. Okay. Literally everything on the tray had, oh, my new glasses. Everything on the tray, my glue, I left it tipped down because it wouldn't fit under the chair. And it leaked everywhere. Let me show you guys what I mean by leaked everywhere. Well, not really everywhere, but let me show you this. Look for yourselves. What is that mess? That was caused by the glue, and I have no idea how that happened. I actually don't know how that happened. So yeah, that happened. I've got these little pots of slime. I have these brand new pots. I got them from Hana. There were 6 of them. I don't know where the other 2 are. Let me look at another 2. There are 2 more. But aren't supposed to be there. They're not. Because I don't know where they are. Okay. So this one I was playing with. This is actually clear blue slime. It's not really blue anymore and it's not really clear because I've been playing with it too much. Wait, no, so I think I only got 4. Okay, so the biggest one is this papaya scented clear slime because this was a no glue slime because it was a face mask slime. So I just used a clear face mask. I used a cucumber one and a papaya. So this was the papaya and then the cucumber one doesn't work else. Right, they're so soft. And then this one is literally the papaya one but just dyed blue, and I've got the food colouring here. Oh, and sorry guys, but I forgot to tell you what today's video is going to be about. So it's going to basically be about me showing you guys how to make a basic fluffy slime if you guys don't know already. It's just, you know, basic rules. Yeah, so those are those. And then the second biggest is this one. I don't know where like the spinning things. It's a jiggly slime, green jiggly slime. Quite dirty. But I find these containers really cute. I was going to get more, but I didn't want to. And then here's just a white slime in them. And the smallest one. You can barely fit any in these pots, but it's enough slime for like travelling. So yeah, I found them really cute. This was I had to use to like literally forgot. No, yay. Okay, that's what I used to try this with this. Okay, well we're going to be making, God, no. I just got blue food colouring all over my finger. This isn't like bad food colouring, it will just like, gone. So yeah, it does smell like corn though. I do like the smell of corn actually. So I've got my clear bowl on my wrist. I'm actually just going to flatten this. No, I'm going to put this in the bin. I'm going to get another one. So my blue food colouring won't make a mess because my food colouring is always leak. I don't know why. There's something with it that just makes them leak all the time. Okay. So that will go there. Okay, we'll just go flatten. Okay. Put them there. Now even left a little mark on my glue. My giant glue. My glue is literally giant. Look at that, 2.5 litres of glue. I've already used actually quite a bit. So yeah, not really 2.5 anymore, probably about like 2.3. Or probably, no actually 2.4. Yeah, that bit's just terrible. And the glue guys. I chose my clear bowl because you guys can see. I'm only going to add a tiny bit because we're going to add shaving cream because we're going to make a fluffy slime. basic blue fluffy slime. I feel like the fluffy slime colour is either pink, very light pink, or very light blue. I don't know why. But fluffy slime is just like a baby. It sort of has to have baby colours like baby pink, baby yellow, baby blue, baby green. Well, probably not baby green because there's no such thing. Oh my god, what's going on inside the whisk though? It looks really weird what's going on inside the whisk. I literally can't get it off the whisk. Okay, well time to... No, do not fall please. Okay, well the food colouring is also coming over here so I can put the whisk in it. Really hate it. Okay, time for blue food colouring. 3 drops is enough because I just want it to be enough. Okay. I'm mixing the blue food colouring. Now I bet it's just going to stay in the whisk and it's not even going to come out into the slime. I bet that's what's going to happen. Oh, guys, this is turning such a nice blue. It's literally turning into a really nice blue colour. It looks so white on camera, but it's such a nice blue. It's got like really blue undertone, really blue, and it's so nice. I'm trying to get all of the food colouring out, but I'm not sure if it's coming out. Try it a bit more? Yes, I shall. I would. Well, I am actually going to do it, so I don't need to say I would. Oh my god, whatever that was, that freaked me out. That literally freaked me out. I don't even know what that noise was. No. Okay, it's okay. Getting it all over myself. Oh my god, no. I got it on the table. No! Don't do it on a tray, you said. It'll be fine, you said. It is not fine, I said. Where's the food colouring gone? Where has the food colouring gone? It is not in here. Literally, guys, I just whisked it. I just whisked it, and now there's nothing in it. Literally, guys. I don't know where the blue food colouring went. I'm okay. What's my dada? I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm really scared to mix this now. Please don't go. Please don't go somewhere because I need... Oh wait, is it at the bottom? No. Where are you? Where are you going? Can you guys see that now? Yeah, guys can see that. You guys can see that really well. It's not really easy to whisk this. Many glasses. I love them so much. Oh my god, it's getting so much more blue now. Where? Okay, so I think the food colouring that I lost first came back now. And it's so nice and blue. Okay. Please don't put too much pressure on the slime so it all goes sucking in. No! Do not suck it in. Do not! I was going to say do not suck it in. Okay, what I'm doing, guys, this is what I do all the time. I put it in my hand. Like that much. And then I just rub it in my hands. And then I just play with the slime. Because I don't think it will stick to me. It has stuck in to more. I do not want to move that because the lid's on. lid's off, so I do not want to move that. I don't want to move it because the lid is on. I mean off. I keep on saying on. The lid is off. So there we go. So I don't really want to. Oh look, you guys can see that blue. Much better now. I'm sorry about that coughing in the beginning. I don't know what was in me. It literally felt like I had an animal in my throat and it really hurt. So I was like... I've wasted so much activator. I've literally, there's loads of activator in the bowl. I've wasted loads of. Do you know what I thought before? I said I'm gonna get my spole and my boom. Literally, before I started this video, I was like, oh, I need my spole and my boom. What's a spole and what's a boom? It's a spoon and a bowl to get it. It's a spole or a boom. Spole, spole, spaboom. It's a spaboom. No, I'm really sorry about it. Do you guys dare me to lick it? Do you guys dare me to? Okay. All I can taste is the shaving cream. That's all I can taste. Okay. Look at all that activity. Swishes, swishes, swashle. It made me my dad. Okay, well I forgot to tell you guys about all in the instructions. So basically add however glue you want, but divide that by 2, because then shaving cream will make up that one part you're missing. Well, now mine isn't. This is like really whipped shaving cream. It's not as. It's more dense. This can like hold its shape more than the Gillette. I used to use the Gillette a lot, but then I went into St. John's Pharmacy on the High Street, and I found that for £1. The Gillette one's for £1, and it is small. It's really small, but this one's so big. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well, here's the slime. Obviously, I am going to make it softer, and it will get softer. If you leave it for like 3 weeks or 3 days, it will get softer. So yeah, and then all you've got to do is add the shaving cream, and then add activator, like 1 tablespoon of activator. I added like 5 tablespoons. So do that, and then you can just abide my rules and obey them. I'm just gonna. Slime's my hobby, literally. Like soon, I really want it to be my profession. Like I want to have I want my job to be a slime maker. That probably isn't really a job. And machines mainly do that, so basically my job can't really do that. I can't do that. But I really want to be like, guys, what do you want to be when you grow up? Comment down below. I know my next door neighbour Noah, who is one of my one of my subscribers. He wants to be. He's actually next year he's going to make his own slime shop. think it's going to be slimy waffles or something like that, or ice cream slime, something like that. So it'll be on Etsy, I think on Instagram, and I don't know. Yeah, I think that's it. And then I think he will have his own website though, like Dope Slimes, and Parakeet Slimes. That's my dad going in with the toolbox because he's going to do, I don't know, something. Oh wait, no, he's done it. So this is the slime. We've made a big fan upstairs and now you do it does. Okay, so thank you guys for sticking for this 15-minute video of me just making slime and talking to myself. Mainly. I was mainly talking to myself, but mainly I was talking to you guys mainly. Mainly, I am not being myself right now. I am being a weirdo and called Nicholas. I don't know what that was. Okay, well thank you guys for sticking around for 15 minutes, no, 16 minutes now, or however long it would take you to say goodbye. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and stay tuned for next Saturday's YouTube video, because now I'm back in year 6, so I can't make them weekdays anymore. So press the subscribe button to be subscribed to my YouTube channel if you're not already, and turn on the bell to get notified whenever I post my weekly video. Sometimes I might post more than one every week because I just want to be extra. If I miss out 1 week, then I'm sorry about that, but I might miss out I think 1 week. So I make them every Saturday. Today's a Saturday. Friday was my first Friday back at school. We started on Thursday and we ended the week on Friday, of course. So thank you guys for staying tuned for this whole video. Hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys how to make your own fluffy slime. You guys can make this at home. You could have even did the video whilst I did it. You could have made the slime, do it along with me. But obviously you didn't have to. You could write down what you need and how to do it, and then you can do it another day. But it really doesn't bother me if you do it or not do it. I just want to, tell you guys how to do it easily. So without having to go to the shop and buy borax, you could actually go to Lidl, buy formula for £1, or you could buy Hour's Magical Liquid for £6, then wait 2 days for borax to be bought and pay £13. Probably don't want to do that. Yeah, thank you guys for watching me make this beautiful blue slime. Love you guys so much. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Comment down below. Comment down below. Comment down below what you like the most, what favourite texture. What is your favourite slime texture? And yeah, like this YouTube video because I need them. I'm a poor YouTuber, I don't do well. Sorry guys if you don't like my videos. But yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post out a new video. Love you guys so much, bye!